Friends, you might be wondering, why do the best channels on YouTube grow so fast? You see these channels in your niche, basically they are exploding left and right, and you wonder, what is their secret? Because you're doing the work, you are uploading your videos, you are doing what other creators are doing, but somehow your effort is not equal to the growth you see other channels having. My name is Irfan and I run Creators Watch community, and in there we ask questions like this all the time. We brainstorm and we get answers. And if your channel is not growing, the biggest reason for that might be that your content is not original. So it feels a little bit boring. You might be wondering why this helmet is right here. I'm gonna explain that a little bit later. 90% of creators out there just repeat what everyone else is saying. And if you are just like one of these creators right here, and if you just repeat what everyone else is saying, when I watch your video, chances are that I have already seen those ideas, heard them like 3 times before. I will find your video boring and I will just skip to some other video to watch some other that might be a little bit more interesting than your video. Now, what you need to do is you need to hook your viewers to something that seems addictive, that seems like something new, and that will make your viewers keep coming back to you. And best creators out there, they don't obsess over creating new topics. It's very hard to create a new topic on YouTube because everything is already out there. They obsess over creating a new angle on familiar topic, on something that already exists, but they speak about it with new angle. So, how to make your content feel fresh when everything is already been said on YouTube 100 times? Let me show you a simple 4-step system that I use with my clients and in my videos, and it's pretty simple. Everything starts with step number 1, which is your niche. And your niche might be something that is oversaturated, something simple like fitness, motivation, cooking, music, or do it yourself. But don't worry about that right now. Let's just take fitness, for example. Like, this is a very common niche and it's very hard to stand out in this niche. Let's say that you want to make a simple video on the topic how to become more healthier. This is a very common topic and it's very hard to make a video that will stand out in this topic. Step number 2 is to find curiosity gap. The curiosity gap is a fine line between what people believe in and what's actually true. Just ask yourself this simple question: what's frustrating or confusing about this topic that I want to make a video about? For example, people think eating veggies will make them fit and healthy, but they are still fat. That sounds pretty interesting when you read it, right? Step number 3 is to flip that curiosity gap, to flip that belief all the way around. You take that common belief that people have and you turn it around by explaining why that common belief is wrong. For example, eating more veggies is actually the reason you are not getting any fitter. Common belief is eat more veggies and you will become more healthier. But if you reverse that, eating more veggies is reason why you are not healthy. And if you look at these 2 topics, like, this is a very common thing, like eat veggies, you will be more healthy, like it's no brainer. But eat more veggies and this is the reason why you are not fit and healthy, like, you wonder, is there some truth to this? Like, everyone's saying to eat more veggies, why is this guy saying not to eat more veggies? This way you are revealing unexpected truth and you are providing something new, something interesting to your viewers, something that they have not heard before from this angle. And step number 4 is very important one, because in this step you actually have to make sure that everything that you are saying about this topic, about this video, is actually true, because you don't want to be lying to your viewers, right? In order for this to work, you have to be talking about real facts, something that is true and you know that is true. You also have to ask yourself, is this sparking any emotions or curiosity from your viewers? Because you want to have that emotional effect. Saying something like don't eat more veggies makes people stop and think and wonder, what are they talking about? And you also want this topic, this explaining, to be something that is authentic to yourself. Like in your real life, ask yourself just this: in your real life, do you actually stand for these terms that you are going to be talking about in this video? Is this something that your real life friends will say, yes, this is something that you say to me all the time? I should not be eating more veggies, I should work out more, I should mix my food so that I have equal amounts of everything. And when you do this all the time, it will show in your videos, and your viewer will have much more trust into your point and your credibility. Try this system out to give a little twist to your content so that you can stand out a little bit in your crowded niche. I hope that it's clear how we stand out in a crowded niche like this. Like, most of content in a fitness will tell you eat more veggies to become fit and healthy. But if you say eating more veggies will not make you fit and healthy, when you see these two topics, like, who's gonna get clicks? It's this one right here for sure. If you are wondering what this little sketch right here is, this is Creators Forge community. And if you are looking for a community of like-minded creators who motivate, push and support each other on this long YouTube journey, I highly recommend checking out Creators Forge community. We share tips, tricks, we share our struggles, we share our wins, and we share what's working for us. And we also have a classroom full of courses that you can check out and see if you are lacking any knowledge, you can get it there. And to join, it's completely free, so check it out. And if you are wondering what this right here is, and this vest right here, well, everything that I'm saying in this video, all of this is backed up by my real knowledge. I have a Rookie Handyman channel and I have been on YouTube for 5 years now. Everything that I'm saying here, I have already made so many mistakes, and I also have some wins. And right here, I'm sharing what's working or not working for me. I'm sharing my experience from Rookie Handyman channel so that you can have it a little bit easier than me. It took me 20 months to monetize my first YouTube channel, Rookie Handyman, so I want to help you to do it a little bit faster. And if you wonder what's going on with all of this AI bullshit lately and how it's gonna affect my YouTube channel, I highly recommend checking out this video right here, because right here you will learn everything about YouTube policy when it comes to the AI and what this AI trend means for our future as YouTube creators. So I highly recommend checking it out.